Hey friend, hey, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to start a beauty brand business from home, no shipping or inventory needed or required. So let's jump straight into the video. Hi, I'm Terry. I am a Shopify website designer. I do have over 8 years of experience, and I also make pre-built Shopify websites, and I also help with business ideas as well. Starting out on Shopify, you will need to make a Shopify account, so be sure you already do that. Pause and come back to this part. But once you download this app, it's called Via Glamour Dropshipping. As you can see at the top in the Shopify App Store, you can add your own logo. This is a cosmetics beauty dropshipping vendor. They do have wholesale, so pretty much you can choose your own font of your business name. Once you create your Shopify store, it'll list your business name on the cosmetics. I'm going to show you guys that here in a minute, but just want to let you guys know if you want to start your own makeup business, cosmetics line, go with this vendor on Shopify. It's really a nice vendor. So I'm going to show you guys how to import a couple products. They do have a setup guide, 4 things you need to check off. If you were to click catalog under the app, you can see everything that they do sell. I just clicked lips and best sellers. And as you can see, they have very affordable products. They do have wholesale as well. And if you're interested in a pre-built beauty brand store, like I said, I am a Shopify website designer. You can view the store down below. It will come already ready and designed for you to start your own cosmetic brand business. So link in the description if you want to skip the hard part of designing your store and get one already built for you. Now, as you can see, they have tons of lip glosses, just everything cosmetics and makeup. They will automatically, your name will already be on the cosmetic product. But if I click this right here, this lip conditioner, you see how much it costs. I'm going to show you how to sync it to your own Shopify website. It's pretty easy. It's just, you do it in a click of a button. It tells you all the ingredients in the description as well. If I were to click sell this product, that usually is how you can sync it to your store. And they do have a website as well. It's via glamour.com, I believe. But yeah, so they have their own website and then they sync with Shopify. This is a few of their fees if you want to buy wholesale. They are made in Canada, never tested on animals, cruelty-free ingredients. You can even order samples or custom samples. They do have organic products as well, vegan. So they are very affordable and they present as a clean brand, and you can put your logo on the products as well. So this is some of their products in video form, a couple of the lip conditioners that they're making. So they do drop ship. You don't have to hold the inventory. They will hold the inventory for you. So I'm just going to show you some videos of their products. And this right here is the lipstick. The first video was lip conditioner. This is the lipstick. And the next video will be their lip gloss. As you can see, in the lighting, it looks pretty much great quality. You always want to order a sample. And this is their lip gloss. And like I said, they do have branding. You can customize and add your own logo as well. And to import straight from the app to your store, you'll just click sell this product. That will load, and this is what the product description looks like when it's synced to your Shopify store. You do want to go through and fix this, by the way, because at the end of the description it says private label, blah, blah, blah. You want to remove that. It's not going to show on your online store unless you publish it. So you do have to click publish, or if you want to change the description, you can add to a collection. The vendor's name is tag for the vendor, and the tags, you want to X out that, right there. That's the price and everything. But right here, so you'll click save, but let me show you guys a few other options publishing. You'll click that and click all channels. So you just have to do a few things when you're importing it from the app to your store. Because it can be a little confusing. If you were to go view your store and you don't see what you just synced, it's because it's not published. You have to go right here and click all sales channel, and then done under publishing in the product description, or the side actually. And then if you were to click preview, you'll be able to view it on your store. And if you can't click like the buy it now button just to test it out, it's probably because you have to activate payments. This is a pre-built Shopify store I did made, so there's no payments activated. So that means customers cannot buy from the website. So just a heads up. And like I said, they have a wide range of products. This is the foundation that they do sell. They have definitely a lot of shades, very affordable. Like I said, you'll just click sell this product. If you want to go ahead and add that to your store, and then you can, edit the description and the tags and everything. And then it syncs pretty fast. And right here under vendor, you want to delete the vendor's name and add your name, and then add to collection and delete the vendor's tag. And then just scroll down, make sure everything's fine. Check the product description, make sure it doesn't say anything about like white labeling, drop shipping, because usually it does, as you can see right here. And then you'll be all set. And if you want to visit their website, you just pretty much go to the website viaglamour.com. This is their drop shipping portion, and they do have a membership. So they do have like a free option if you start with Shopify, but this is like the actual membership price. Like I said, they will hold the inventory for you. They will brand, do the shipping, packaging, all of that. You can even have the catalog sent to your email. If you were to type in your name and email, that is an option as well if you want it sent to your phone or computer. And then if you need to contact like the website or someone at the website, like a customer service, they do have like an instant chat button, like the bubble at the bottom, the black one. So they do also have hundreds of colors to choose from, like branding and packaging. All of the products are made in Canada, and yeah, you get to design your own products for great unboxings and just really brand your own makeup, beauty brand. So this is a great way to start. If you're interested, go ahead and check out this vendor. And if you need help with content, I do have a 30-day content plan for beautypreneurs. It's pretty much content ideas to get your brain going, so you can go ahead and bring in them sales with the items, okay? So link in the description for all information, pre-built stores, and this beauty 30-day content plan. See you guys in the next video, and I hope your business is successful in 2026. Bye.